What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all my videos. In this video, I'm going to show you some Facebook ads and affiliate marketing. I want to show you an easy strategy that you can implement today on your campaigns to get going to make $100 a day on your campaigns. Now this is a strategy often overlooked by a lot of people, but it's so easy to do, but a lot of people skip this step. Now, I'm going to show you exactly what you can do to implement this step and start getting results with your affiliate campaigns. Let's dive right in.
Yeah. Hey, I work hard every motherfucking day.
So the key to making $100 plus a day on Facebook, it's very simple with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, whatever kind of campaigns are running on Facebook. So this strategy I'm going to show you is social proofing, and what I mean by that is that it's very simple. So what we have to do, if you're stuck at $20 a day, $50 a day, one strategy that I implement in my campaign is this works if you're running a video or a image. You could be running any other type of objectives, but videos or images, this will work. We will be social proofing them. So for example, have you ever been driving on the highway and you see a car accident? Now I know when I see a car accident, I'm looking and I'm thinking two thoughts. I wonder what happened, and is there any way I can help? And so I get very distracted, and now this is what we have to do on Facebook. We have to take that same concept of distracting people. We want to be distracting them on Facebook. So take a close look at this right here. This is actually an affiliate running this. Now this is the numerologist. This is a ClickBank offer. But I want you to look at this. When I'm scrolling through my newsfeed, I get distracted when I see tons of social proof. So this person's got 26,000 comments, 26,000 shares, 2.8K comments, 8,000 shares. Now that is a ton of social proof. So we want to be doing the same thing with our ads. So what I generally like to do is when I find a winning video or a winning image, I like to social proof it. How you can tell if it's winning, you can tell by the stats. Now, in the previous videos, you've heard about kill metric, what's getting you the conversions, what's getting you the leads, what's the cheapest cost. Then we can social proof that. Now, this same strategy will work with Facebook advertising. Now, if you want to do $100 a day CPA marketing, we have to find an image, we have to find a video, or an angle that we can take and actually use. Now, I really like this right here, but more importantly, they social proofed it. So now what we do now, it's very simple. We have to come up with our objective on Facebook ads. Now generally what we do now is we can run brand, we can run reach. What I actually like to do is also run PPE, pay per engagement. I like to run engagement campaigns to social proof. Now the strategy to get this to work is your targeting. Who are we targeting to actually get some social proof? Now it's very simple. When we do our targeting on Facebook, let's just say we have our Facebook ad right here. This is our Facebook ad. We want to get some likes. We want to get some shares. We want to get some hearts. We want to get free, easy social proof. And how we get that is by our targeting. Now, what we're going to be doing on our targeting is that we're going to be targeting countries that have cheap cost of living. Now, keep in mind, I want you to be thinking of the long term of your affiliate marketing campaign. So if you're running ClickBank, or if you're running Cash Network or Max Bounty or any of these affiliate networks, think about the offer that you're promoting and think about what you're putting on Facebook. What if we can get 1,000, 2,000 likes or shares on this actual post that we're promoting? People follow people, and I know that when I'm seeing people commenting, people liking and sharing, I'm thinking, whoa, it must be pretty interesting. It's just a law of attraction. People are going to follow people, and they're going to see what other people are engaging on. So we want to use that same psychology with our Facebook advertising. So what we do now is that we're going to be targeting different geos. And now these geos that we're actually targeting, these geos, the cost of living is a lot cheaper. So Pakistan, India, these are geos that we can target. Bangladesh, these are geos that we can add in on our Facebook targeting. So if you've never done this before, I'm actually going to take one of my ads that I'm running right now, and you guys can see how to do this. It's very simple to do, but all we have to do is take the page post ID and actually target that objective that we want to do, and it's very simple. So let me show you how to do this now. So the first thing you want to do is open up your business manager. So as you can see, we're in one of my ads that I'm actually running. So for this example of social proofing, now this concept can work for anything. So if you're promoting ClickBank and you're promoting Ted's Woodworking, or if you're promoting the numerologist where I just showed you that social proof, the same concepts will work with that. So we'll use my personal branding video objective that I was actually doing. This was actually an image that I'm actually running right now. So what you would want to do is Facebook has campaign, ad sets, and ads. All we have to do now is come over here to the ad level, and we can click edit. I'll show you guys this right now. So take a close look at this. There's about 9 likes on here, 8. So take a close look at this. We have some engagement on this. I was running this for my training course. Now, as you can see, I'm running messenger ads, but there's not tons of social proof on this. This ad is very new, but I can use the same concept to social proof my actual ad now. So what you have to do now is let me click out of this right here. So right here on the ads manager, click on this drop down box, and you want to click on page post. So we want to find that specific ad that I'm running. We want to take that page post ID and create a new campaign. So all you do is click on page post. And you can see right here, look very closely, post details. So what we can do is we can copy this now. Now this only takes about 5-10 minutes to set up to social proof one of your ads. Now keep in mind, I want you to be thinking of the end result, thinking about what can you social proof on what affiliate marketing campaign that you're running. So what we can do is we can actually copy this right here and then take this post ID, we can exit this right here, and then all we have to do is create an ad. Go to your ads manager. So all we have to do now is click create. So now these are the different objectives that we can do. Now, when you're doing CPA and affiliate marketing, this can relate to other business models. But what we can do is that if we want to get cheap social proof to build awareness, build cheap social proof on our ads, we can be targeting engagement, we can do brand awareness, we can do reach. Now, what you want to be doing with your affiliate marketing campaigns is doing this with different steps of your funnel. So if an ad is in the beginning stages, we can social proof it with engagement. Then when we get some social proof on it, you only have to spend, $15, $30 on social proofing. Then you get, 500 likes on your actual post that you're running. You get cheap likes, you get cheap engagements. Then what we can do is we can come back, we can test the other engagements, we can run traffic, we can run conversions. Now, let's just say, for example, this numerologist post right here, let's just say this is my ad right here. Once I get some social proof on here, I can come to Facebook's back office and I can run conversions. I can run traffic. I can try to bring in purchases of my affiliate product that I'm actually running. So now let's actually jump back into the ad creation. So for now, let's just do engagement. And right now, we'll just keep it on post engagement because we want to build that social proof. And I'll just put this right now, YouTube social proof example. All right, so now let's hit continue. So for now, what I want to be doing is I do not want to be targeting in the United States. The reason being is that the United States, if we're trying to get social proof, it's going to be a lot more expensive to actually do this. So like I said in the beginning, it comes down to our targeting. We want to target the cost of living places that's really cheap. So now let's actually take out United States out of here and let's change that. So to keep this video short so I don't go overboard right now, I'll just go with Pakistan and let's go with India. Let's go with Bangladesh. Now there's more places that you can target that the cost of living is different here. So for example, the United States versus the United Kingdom, the cost of living is different in both of those two countries. So tier 1 countries, tier 2 and tier 3, the cost of living will be different. So now we have the countries that we're targeting. Now I'll keep it simple. I'll keep it 18 to 65. Now keep in mind, this is social proof. We're not getting narrowed in on our targeting now. So we can do 18 to 65. Now on our detailed targeting, I'm just going to leave this blank for now. Now what we can do is come down to edit our placements. So now what I want to do, desktop and mobile. Mobile's typically cheaper than desktop, so for this campaign, I'll just go with mobile. Take out connected TVs. All right, let's take out audience network, take out Instagram. This is an image now, so we're just running this on the feeds for now. So scroll down, and I'll just make this, let's just make this $10 for the day. And then now we're running post engagement. Now make sure you double check this, because sometimes it'll be clicked on impressions, and sometimes it'll be, you want to double check that. A lot of people tend to overlook that, but now let's actually scroll down. We're optimizing for post engagement, so let's hit continue. So you want to make sure you choose your actual post. Now what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to enter in the post ID. So you guys seen in the beginning of the video that we're social proofing the post, so let me actually paste in that number and click submit. When I run social proof to this, it's going to be this existing post. So now when I build social proof on my campaign, what happens is a lot of people is that they start their social proof over from the beginning. So you want to be building on top of that social proof. So now all we have to do is scroll down and hit continue, and then we are all done. We have to just confirm this. That is all you have to do to set up social proof. So typically it takes about 1 to 2 hours for the campaign to go live. When you have ad sets and campaigns in your business manager, in your ad account, getting approved often, it does not take long to approve. If you have a new ad account, it can typically take maybe 1 day, maybe a little bit longer for Facebook to approve your ads. I've never seen it take longer than 24 hours, but keep that in mind when you're doing social proofing. Now, one final recap. When do we want to do this social proofing? So let's just say you have an image, it's getting some pretty good traffic, it's getting good engagement. You have to analyze your metrics, you have to be able to look at your stats, but then you want to social proof it. So now keep in mind, this can be for any affiliate offer that you run. Images, video, social proof it. Target the cheaper geo countries, and then now people are going to follow people. So by the way, if you guys have gotten a ton of value from this video, drop a like on it and leave me a comment. Let me know some countries you like to target actually for your social proofing. Now there's more countries, I didn't list them all in this video, that you can target for social proofing your ad sets. So anyways, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. By the way, I know you guys, your time is precious and I greatly appreciate it. And lastly, come check out my private Facebook group, Entrepreneur Affiliates, and come join, come engage, and leave your questions in there. But so what I did is I actually let the ad run for about 24 hours, and I'm actually going to show you that social proof. But there's one thing I want to go over, just because this aspect confuses a lot of people, so I think it's pretty important. So what you have to understand when you run Facebook and you do any type of social proofing or any type of campaigns on Facebook in general, you have your campaign, and then you have your ad set area, and then right here you have your ad level. Now a lot of people, they make more variations, so they make 1 ad, they make 2 ads, they duplicate it right here. So let's just say we have 3 ads. Now in the beginning of the video, you saw me go to the ads manager and I grabbed a page post ID. Now say it with me, page post ID. Now the reason I did that is because when you do a campaign, I'll just put a C right now, when you do a campaign, when you first build a campaign and you have your ad set, so I'll just put ad set. Now this is what happened. Facebook, what they'll do, they'll give you a post ID for each one. So what that means is that Facebook, every time they give you a page post ID for the ad level here, they give you a different number. So I'll just put ID. So this is the page post ID we've been referring to. But every time you get started now, you won't be building social proof. So if this one has, let's just say this one has 20 likes right now, these ones may only have 1 like or 3 likes, because the only reason being is that all of them have different page post ID. So then what we want to do is, if this one has the 20 likes, we want to use the same page post ID as you saw me do in the video for all of them. So then now all of these other ones have 20 likes. So this one will have 20 likes, this one will have 20 likes, and this last one will keep the 20 likes. So as you see, when I put in my page post ID, it was an existing post. But I just made this short snippet onto this video so you guys could see exactly why we use a page post ID, because Facebook will generate you different page post IDs when you start duplicating in the beginning. Then you have to go get the page post ID and put it in to stack social proof on all of your ads. So I hope this helps anyone who's getting a little bit confused about this part right here. But now what I'm going to do is I've recorded one more snippet the day after, so you can see the actual proof. I think I spent roughly $10 and got 2,000 likes, but let me actually show you that clip, and I hope you guys enjoyed this so far. So I wanted to give a quick update on this campaign. So yesterday we actually put together a social proof campaign. Now I don't believe in just showing you guys theory. Yesterday when I actually recorded this, I had maybe 10 likes on the actual post. And the whole point of this is to show you the strategy of how you can make $100 a day just by social proofing your campaigns. If you have a winning angle, social proof it. Now let me show you the results from it. Now as you can see, the cost per result was very cheap now because we targeted in the cheaper geos. Now I want you to know that this is very powerful. Now I did not spend much, so let me just change this to lifetime so you guys can see. I spent $6.86. Now I can actually get cheaper than this. There's tons of strategies out there where you can even leverage viral traffic, do this same type of strategy to get to your affiliate offers. But let me actually show you the actual ad itself. So let's just click on here and click edit. And I actually paused it now because I just wanted to let it run. And like I told you guys yesterday, you only have to spend, $10, $20 on this to social proof an actual post. Now let's click edit on this. Now take a very close look at that, 2.1K. So people were liking this, they were loving this. So people were engaging with this actual post. So this is the power of social proofing. So imagine if you were promoting an affiliate product. Now this strategy can work for e-commerce. It can work with your social media marketing clients. It can work for anything that you want. So I hope you guys really enjoy this. And yeah, I just wanted to do a quick update so you can actually see the proof. I spent $6.80 and got some social proof to my actual ad. But yeah, I'm really glad you guys got to see an insider look at this. But anyways, thank you for watching this video and have a great day.
I was just starving in them apartments. This shit feel like yesterday. I was just going to sleep on some carpet. This shit feel like yesterday. I ran my bands up and know I'm not sorry, so I ain't feeling like yesterday. Niggas saying they gon' rob me. I heard the same.